Before looking deeply from these issues, we have to look,
What issues?
we have to look straightforward.
Oh,
That there's a vicissitude when people have already possessed this one or something like that. From the view that we have already possessed these things, we have to look back. Okay? We have to look back. What is their past? How did these people become so different from their past? Okay? Become so different. Sometimes the vicissitude of man we can see from their attitude. Perubahan-perubahannya you can see from their attitude, and I think this change, the change of their attitude has many meanings,
Allah.
and the people who can look at this we can understand from this vicissitude of the mankind. It is a piece of psychologis ya. Kemudian the